In front of me is OnePlus 6T, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then hit theme and tap on one of those to apply the best one. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of mine has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always pick one of those under default. If you want to customize it instead, use this plus under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!